So how long have you been using this application?
It's my 35 days or 36 days.
Okay, that's great.
And what about you?
Actually, I have been using this application, for 5 or 6 months ago, and there is a problem, like I was not a consistent user. Tell me one thing. Do you face this type of issue? Like you really want to speak in English fluently, but you don't feel confident in English. You feel hesitation, you feel fumble while speaking English. More a person speaks in English, so better he become fluent in English. But there is a problem, like most of the people, they are saying like, ma'am, I have no one with whom I can easily practice in English. So because of this reason, I am not capable to speak in English even a single word. I feel hesitation while speak a single word in front of the public. So how to get English speaking partner? Don't worry friends, I have a solution. Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in this video I am going to share with you wonderful application. With the help of this application, you can easily do practice in English. You can easily find your English speaking partner. And your problem like, ma'am, I have no one with whom I can practice in English, so because of this reason I am not capable to speak English even a single word, will go away. So for this, what you need to do, you need to just go to the Play Store and write Peer Up. Okay, actually I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone. So now I'm going to just open this application in front of you. Okay, before getting into the video, I just want to share with you some points about this application. First thing is that, okay, this is free on cost application. Second thing is that there is no any time limit. Okay, you can do practice according to your timetable. It's not going to you don't need to give money. You don't need to go anywhere for practice in English. You can use this application according to your timetable at your home. Okay, so yes, actually I have already downloaded this application. So now I'm going to open this application in front of you, and yes, continue talking. So yes, there is two feature, like practice with a real person. So these are some real person with whom you can easily practice in English, and this is free on cost, believe me. And this feature, this is AI conversation. If you touch this, okay, so yes, it will demand some money. You have to take a membership for this. I just want to say, you don't need to give money. Okay, if you have money, then you can easily do practice with AI. And if you have no money, you want to improve your English speaking skill, then you can go here and touch practice with a real person. This is free and cost. Okay, so start human call. I started. It will ask some question like, which type of human partner do you want, any male female level. I'm going to just any koi bhi chalega and start searching, and you can see it is searching in front of you. It will take some time. Hello, my name is Rita and I am a teacher. I am a government teacher, and yes, that's all about me. Tell me about yourself. Are you a student or working professional?
I am a student and pursuing BTech in computer science and engineering. Currently I am in third year.
Okay, computer science. Okay, it's a great you can achieve whatever you want to do, because nowadays there is a demand of computer science student. So do you know about AI?
Yeah, I know AI, artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence. So
Yeah.
do you have some knowledge about, there is any separate theory about this thing, because this is a very new thing.
Yeah. Like there are lots of conspiracy theory about AI. Like AI can, what if AI have consciousness and all.
Okay. So what do you want to become in your future?
I want to become data scientist in a data science field.
Data scientist. Okay, that's great. Okay,
It's the part of computer science.
it is the department of computer science, data science. Okay.
It's a domain in computer science.
Okay, it's a domain. That's great. So now you are living in Delhi. Okay, and you are a student. So do you think about government job, because you have done you are pursuing your BTech degree and you are third year student? So do you think about you can easily clear your UPSC exam? Do you have any desire for cracking a UPSC exam?
Like first of all, I am in third year, and then like my current goal is to take an internship, and after taking internship and completing my internship, then I have to grab the job in computer science in near future. Okay.
In near
Then
future.
if I, you know, अगर मेरा मन करता है
Yeah,
उसके
yeah.
बाद या फिर मुझसे प्राइवेट जॉब नहीं हो पाती तो मैं गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम के बारे में सोचूंगा. लेकिन अभी मेरा ये गोल है कि मुझे इंटर्नशिप चाहिए और उसके बाद जॉब चाहिए क्योंकि मैं थर्ड ईयर में आ चुका हूँ ना.
Okay. Actually, your English fluency is good. You can speak in English. We are here
Yeah,
for practice in English.
yeah. So what about you? Like in which class you study? Sorry, you teach.
Actually, I am a basic teacher, so I have to teach all the subject which is needed from class 1st to 8. But yes, class 6 to 8, I teach only English subject.
6 to 8, you only teach English. Okay.
Yeah.
So how is your student? Like they are very, you can say.
Actually, I am a basic teacher in a. No, I am a basic teacher in a rural, area. My school is situated in a rural area where all the students come from very poor family. They belong very poor family like laborers and farmers. So yes, they have no any type of resources for learning English or any other subject. So yes. And so we can say that's why I'm here in front of you. Well, I mean to say I'm talking to you for improving my English fluency, and in this way I can easily improve my English, my students' English also.
Okay, so like I can give you some compliment. Like I think your English is good because you are an English teacher. That's why your fluency is also good.
Actually, it's not true. Before 3 or 4 months ago, I was not so good. I'm not say that I'm perfect. Okay, I'm still improving. And but before 4 or 5 months ago, I can't speak one or two sentences in English. I feel very agitated. So I thought, why not? I generally switch my speaking terms into my native language. Generally, when I try to speak some sentence, so I mostly 5 or 6 seconds I switch into my native language, but I can easily express my thoughts. So this is improvement, but I'm not perfect. Still I'm learning. So that's why I'm using different type of resources like this application.
Yeah. So I think like you said, your English was not good, not enough to talk even.
Yeah, actually I am
now you are talking with me in fluent English, and I think that's a lot of improvement you achieved.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yes, I can achieve. I improved a lot in my speaking terms. But yes, there is some problem like my pronunciation. Most of the people say, okay, your pronunciation is not good. Please correct. Okay, I accept. Okay, one day I will, easily pronounce my some words that like sa. There is some, very common mistakes that I generally do while speaking in English. So yes, there is a pronunciation mistakes when I, achieve so many messages or comments from publicly. So I generally accept it. Okay, accept it. I will, improve myself.
Yeah, same. Like I can't even same for me. Like I can't even pronounce S and SH.
Yeah, there is very very common. I can say common, but yeah, very important mistakes like shop. Look, shop and shop, and one shop means dukan. एक का होता sabun. So I generally confuse that. Yeah.
But like I believe in one thing. Like no one is perfect and no one can become perfect.
Yeah.
But we can tend to become a perfect. You can say हम perfect की तरफ जाते हैं, लेकिन perfect कभी हो नहीं सकते.
Yeah. Every day we have to learn. Every day we have to improve. Every day if we work with consistently, so we can improve. But perfection will not come, one day, and will not come any day. There is no any limit.
Yeah, perfection is a myth.
Yeah, there is a myth. Like no person. I think there is no one who can perfect. Even native speakers also make mistake. Grammatically different type of mistakes, but there is a fashion. If some native speaker speaks wrong English, so there will be like fashion trending. Yeah.
And we don't even recognize.
We don't recognize. And we feel like, okay, this is true. Okay, this is true. We learn a wrong thing like, okay, this is true.
Like if we have fluency now, then no one can understand like if we are making mistakes. Normal people. If someone is very pro in that field, then he will definitely you can say pick that mistake.
Yeah. That's right. So how long have you been using this application?
It's my 35 days or 36 days.
Okay, that's great.
And what about you?
Actually, I have been using this application, for 5 or 6 months ago, and there is a problem, like I was not a consistent user. Whenever I get some time, so I generally use. So that's why my streak, there is a system like streak, first day, second day, third day streak. I generally yeah, break my streak.
Like I also downloaded this app 36 days ago, and now from that day I am consistent. So I don't know how long time I have been. I will.
Oh
be
my
consistent.
God! You have achieved like 3,869 points.
Katrina?
Yeah, you have achieved here. And there is, I think, I don't know what is my point.
Like you will be consistent, then you will improve more.
Okay, I will try. I will try. Actually, your voice is not clear. There is some problem. Oh, yeah. There is a network. Okay. So, okay. Thank you so much for this conversation. Now I'm going to, cut this because there is some issue, network issue. Thank you so much. Okay, after doing conversation, you have to give your feedback, and yes, it will give you your feedback. Continue. Outstanding job. Wow. Okay, so yes, in this way you can easily improve your English speaking skill, and you can easily do practice in English with the help of this application and improve your English speaking skill. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, I will meet you. I will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.